And we begin this edition with breaking inputs that are just coming in on the Delhi blast probe and the Faridabad Jaish terror module. Sources in the National Investigation Agency have confirmed that 4 high-profile accused in the Faridabad-based Jaish-e-Mohammed module were airlifted from Srinagar Central Jail to the national capital. The individuals transferred are Dr. Muzammil Shakil Ganai, Dr. Adil Ahmed Rathir and Maulvi Irfan Ahmed Bagai, and 1 additional suspect. Custody was formally handed over to the NIA for intensive questioning in connection with the November 10th Red Fort blast. The accused are slated for face-to-face confrontation with Dr. Shaheen Saeed and other co-accused already in NIA custody in the national capital. So these are the details that are just trickling in with respect to the Jaish terror module linked to the Delhi blast case. 4 accused have been airlifted from the Srinagar jail to the national capital, and with this, the formal custody has been granted to the National Investigation Agency. Let's see if we have Idris live with us. Let's go across to Idris, who's getting us the breaking inputs. Idris, if you can once again put this into context, what is known so far about these 4 accused and the link which is under scanner with respect to the Jaish terror module and the Delhi blast?
Well, the National Investigation Agency has intensified its investigation across Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, as well as in New Delhi. What we know at the moment from our sources that the 4 main accused in the Red Fort blast case as well as the Faridabad terror module case have been handed over to the National Investigation Agency from Kashmir Valley. They were here in Srinagar Central Jail, where we are standing right now, as you can see in your visuals. From here, we've been told that the Jammu and Kashmir police finally handed over all the 4 main accused in the case to National Investigation Agency. If we talk about the 4 persons, it's Dr. Muzammil, Dr. Adil and Maulvi Irfan, who have been handed over to the National Investigation Agency. On the other hand, Dr. Shaheen has also, who was in the custody of Jammu and Kashmir Police, has also been handed over to the NIA formally now, and the investigation will further take place in Delhi. We're also hearing from our sources that they will put all these accused who have been taken from the Kashmir Valley to New Delhi in face-to-face interrogation with especially 2 of the accused. One is Jasir, who was taken from South Kashmir, as well as Amir, in whose name the I-20 car was. And those 2 already are with the National Investigation Agencies, and now with these 4, they'll all be interrogated all together. We've seen on the ground the investigation has intensified with the State Investigative Agency in Jammu and Kashmir taking forward the whole investigation. We've seen how they're carrying out raids across various districts of Jammu and Kashmir. The counterintelligence wing of Jammu and Kashmir police carried multiple raids in the last 2 weeks. If we count the number of raids that have been carried by Jammu and Kashmir police in the last 2 weeks, it has gone to around 2,700. More than 600 people were detained by them, while most of them were let off, but some of them still in detention. This also includes some of the doctors who were taken from Srinagar as well as southern part of Kashmir, which includes Pulwama, Kulgam, Anantnag, as well as Shupian districts.
Yes, Idris, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you for more updates.